Hello everyone, hope you're all doing well. So, do you want to know about Base Honey fruit reviews? So, here we are going to update you with this unbiased review in this video. So, please stay connected with us. Also, people from the United States are very curious to know about this site. So, basically, this website is an online shopping store which deals with fruits. They offer different kind of fruits, so you can check it out by yourself. Now, let's talk about their payment method. So this website accepts Visa and MasterCard. Now let's check their shipping policy. So they have mentioned that all orders are processed and shipped within 3 working days, and most orders are shipped within 24 hours. Also, they have mentioned that the delivery timing takes 10 to 20 days to all major destinations. But guys, before going further, it is requested from you all to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And also please do share your viewpoints in the comment section. Now let's talk about the legitimacy factors with the help of which you can judge whether this website is legit or a scam. So this website is protected through HTTPS protocol and SSL integration that keep the details and transactions safe, which is a good sign of this website. So next we are going to check the domain information. Well, this website was registered on 16th of August 2021 and it will expire on 16th of August 2022, which means this is a newly formed website and hence it can't be trusted. So next we'll check the About Us page section. We'll check the About Us details out there. So here they have mentioned something about their company and about their mission, but they haven't provided any details about their business establishment year or about their founder identity. So now we'll check the contact details. Here also, as you can see, they haven't provided any information regarding their contact, which is a negative sign of this website. Now talking about the social media presence, well, this website doesn't have any social media presence, which is a huge drawback of this website. So next we'll check the return and refund policy. So in the return policy, they have said that if you want to return the product, you have to return it within 60 business days of receipt. So guys, please do comment about your experience in return or refund of the product. For return or refund issues, check our description area. There you will find the link through which you can solve your money issue. Now talking about the Base Honey fruit reviews, we didn't find any single customer review about this website anywhere. Also, we couldn't get the Alexa ranking, and the business trust ranking of this website is only 0.6% and the trust ranking is 2%, which is very low and poor. Also, the content quality seems to be plagiarized. So in the conclusion of the Base Honey fruit reviews, this website appears to be a scam website. But we also recommend you to make a right decision after exploring well. So guys, if this review is helpful for you, then please do comment your thought about this video. We are always active in answering your comments. So guys, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel and have a nice day.